I'll just touch on your comment about my roles and responsibilities because, basically with overseeing every day-to-day function of the business, I have to dedicate my efforts to what there is most of, right? And so when you go from, just a few years ago or so, we were a much smaller company than where we are now. And
When I joined the company, we were like 200 million.
Was
like
it
220 million or so? It
Yeah.
was, and now we're at 700 basically, right?
So you call it, tripling the portfolio size. That's triple the amount of employees basically. Now there's just a lot more going on. This year we've really built out our HR department, and so that I've been spending a ton of time on HR, and we're hiring so many people every single week, and accounting, and so I guess when we talk about my reallocation of focus, it's not just necessarily because I've got a new hobby or a new place that I like to be, right? It's as you grow, more and more of the business just simply becomes operations rather than, let's say, acquisitions and hunting for the next deal, right? It's funny, I talk about this a lot because when you've got no portfolio, the only thing to do is acquisitions, right? So you're underwriting deals, you're talking to brokers, you're touring, you're doing due diligence. And then once you have your first deal, okay, now it's like 50-50, right? You're hunting for new deals, and then you're managing your existing deal. But then, now with 22 properties, it's like all my time is focused on the portfolio, and then there's just a little bit of time needed, because frankly, you don't need to spend a ton of time on acquisitions, especially because Brad does such a fantastic job, and we've got other people now, wink, wink, who are helping us in that department. So
It'll probably be live by the time this comes out, but such is life. We'll wait.
We'll wait. So yeah, that's just my comment about that. It's really out of necessity, not out of interest or hobby. Not to say that I don't enjoy it. I mean, operations is a tremendous challenge, and it's really grown me as a person and as a manager and leader.